Hey, what's up followers? Dave here from CNC 3D. So in today's video, we're going to show you a handy little hack that we often use here at our factory in order to get some really clean results when you're cutting alloys with your machine. And basically, we figured out a really simple way that you can essentially do a really tidy finishing pass within your one tool path, meaning that you won't need to actually do another tool path again in order to be able to get a nice finish. So basically, if we take a look at some of the pockets that we have here, if we click on one of these, we can see that the depth of cut for this particular pocket is 1 mil. Now, what we've actually done, if you go up the top here to cut settings, you can see that our depth per pass here is 0.8 mil, which is actually suitable for the 4 mil one flute upcut cutter for alloy that we're using for this job. Now, what this will essentially do is when it goes through to actually pocket out this 1 mil depth that we have over here on this shape, it's going to go 0.8 first, and then it's going to do a 0.2 mil pass in order to make the total of our 1 mil, which basically allows us to have a 0.2 mil layer that it's removing, essentially eliminating a lot of typical chatter that you might see on some desktop hobby CNC machines. So this handy little tip has made it very easy for us to be able to do quite a few of this pocket on this job. So if we take a look, that's 1 mil, this one over here is 1 mil, this one over here is also 1 mil, and so is this pocket here. So this handy little tip is basically a really easy way to do it. Now let's go ahead and run this job, and we're going to take a look and see how it actually comes out. So we're just going through and we're running this assembly here. We can go and take a look at our bottom finish on here. We're just using our QB2 to cut this alloy. This is a slightly softer grade of alloy. It's 60-60, it's not 60-61, but our bottom finish is actually very, very good. It may not look it, but it's actually not too bad here. It's quite smooth to the touch. So that is basically the magic trick for you to be able to kind of run a finishing pass while you're actually doing your full job instead of having to do a separate operation for it. This is the workaround for it. So I hope this video has been helpful, and you guys have a fantastic day, and we'll catch up soon.